Things are changing completely in Benidorm town. We are located right by the town hall, and as you can see, there are so many changes here. Right before the famous Beni Nadal will start. Welcome back to the channel Benidorm by Anna. All things Benidorm updated, up to date, latest videos, and much more available for you guys here. As you know, Benidorm celebrating every single year the Beni Nadal, which is Christmas in Benidorm. An absolutely magical time of the year where, as you can see, we even have our own ice skating rink. Yes, in Benidorm, you heard it right, in the place where the sun's shining, the sky is blue, and we do not go below zero, we have our own artificial ice skating rink. And only because it's artificial, it's actually possible to go ice skating in Benidorm. And this happens every single year. As you can see, there's plenty of different types of attractions for the kids, different play areas. These ones are paid. It's not free of charge. There's bouncing beds that they're putting up right now in many of the places, and obviously the stage. The main part of the Beni Nadal is, of course, the stage. This is how it looks like, and here is where the countdown will begin. The lights will be turned on, the music, the concerts, the celebration. It is the heart of the festivities. And obviously they're putting up already the Christmas tree. Everything is being prepared right now, and the thing is that it's for this weekend, so they do prepare quite a few days in advance. It's going to be gorgeous. It's going to be beautiful. It's going to be very nice place for families, friends, solo travelers, for everyone to join in for the celebration. There's going to be also some food places and quite a few of these types of wooden houses that will have everything between food, snacks, drinks, accessories, souvenirs, crafts, markets, and many more. First houses are being prepared already out here, and it's like a little Christmas/wintry village of a kind that's always here, and it's being set up right now with all the lights, with electricity and everything that people will need. And of course, our Christmas tree, our live Christmas tree, the snowman, the giant statues will all be here, and they're preparing everything to connect these to the electricity, so they would light up when the time comes with just one single switch. This is a truly magical place here in Benidorm town, and will shortly be available for all of us up until the 6th, 7th of January, which is when we finish the Three Kings celebration. This is the last winter celebration before we can say that Christmas, New Year holidays are absolutely over. And then we'll start waiting for Valentine's Day and a couple more local celebrations and Easter. And the new summer season will start. So as you can see, quite a lot of things will be going on here in Spain. We love to celebrate. There's plenty of different types of events and activities, so you will definitely not get bored with everything that this area has to offer. A quick reminder for all those who are coming and still do not have anything booked for Christmas Eve or Christmas Day or for New Year's Eve, please book it now. A lot of places are already fully booked and do not have any kind of availability to celebrate either Christmas or New Year. And those who do not have many spots left. So please make sure you actually get a place if you want to celebrate it somewhere on this special occasion. We know a lot of people already who wanted to get some information from nearby, like typical restaurants, but they said they were all fully booked. Prices this year are also quite high. I do not remember when I've seen such high prices for Christmas and New Year celebrations. And obviously there is entertainment. Yes, obviously there is drinks, unlimited drinks, there's snacks, there's cocktail, there's etc. But overall, we've seen prices with more than 100 euros per person for New Year. More than 100 euros per person without any kind of accommodation. That is just the New Year's celebration. And Christmas is ranging between 65, this is like the cheaper note, and up to 85 euros on the more expensive side. Imagine this. This is absolutely crazy. Lost people are still getting their lottery. I think that up until like 1-2 days before lottery, Christmas lottery, which is typical Spanish tradition, up to a couple of days before, they're still selling all the Christmas tickets. And of course, on the street Gambo, which is the shopping alley of Benidorm, right next to the Starbucks and the Hotel Madeira Centro, which you can see right in front. Here we have our Christmas balls that are being installed of different colors and shapes. And this is the center. This is the epicenter, basically, of the Christmas celebration. I feel like this year it's different because usually there's some like arcs that you pass by, and from the beginning of the street you can see that it's like a giant corridor, like a tunnel of lights. But now it is different because they didn't put these. They've put these giant Christmas like balls, like Christmas tree balls, decorations, instead of the tunnels. So this is slightly different this time. This is interesting. They did change things a bit right now here in the area. Everything is being set up slowly but surely. We're starting to enter to a little bit of Christmas spirit. All the houses here, a lot of them, the vast majority, did put the Christmas tree. Or if not, on the 1st of December, they will be putting up the Christmas tree. Let us know if you are the ones who started really, really early, immediately after the Halloween and like autumn season is almost over. Or if you wait last minute, as in some countries, right before Christmas or even right before New Year. We'll read you here in the comments. But here in Spain, people technically tend to prepare everything for Christmas and decorate the house to make it slightly more pleasant. You know, it's cold outside, you spend more time on the indoors. And having a Christmas tree, even though it's like a fake one, it's not a real one, and some Christmas decorations makes it slightly better, not gonna lie. So starting from the end of November, maximum first days of December, Christmas decorations are everywhere we go. Even though some people are still wearing t-shirts and are sitting on the sunshine, sipping up some nice coffee from Starbucks, by the way, or having walks, the sun's shining, it is nice outside. It is not as warm, obviously, but it is not cold either. Today we had +4 degrees in the morning, so yeah, that was slightly unpleasant, but on the sunshine, it feels like it's almost 18, 19 degrees, so it's still quite nice. But we do need some Christmas in our lives already. Children love it, families love it, everyone love it. So shortly, in just a few days' time, in just a couple of days' time, we'll have Christmas decorations, especially gorgeous atmosphere, magical atmosphere once the sun will set down. And as you can see, it is also quite vivid. There's plenty of people everywhere. All the shops are open, at least here in the city center and by the Mediterranean Avenue. This is the place where obviously there's way more movement. This is a place where there's quite a lot of people going towards the Levante beach, coming back from the Levante beach, going to get some meals, some souvenirs, just having a walk between the city center and the promenade on the beach. It's just the area that's always busy. It's always vivid. Hence, businesses know it and they stay open as much as they possibly can. Even some ice cream places. This is our favorite ice cream place, Amor Real, Real Love. Very nice, typical Italian gelato. Very tasty, natural ingredients. We love it. we're fans of this place and we always get the ice cream here, with an exception of my husband who loves for some reason strawberry ice cream from Sirvent. But that's the only thing. All the rest of us, we get our ice cream here. Even Tiki Pizza and the Tiki Town, like this area, they have a whole giant terrace. Very, very vivid. Obviously, it's a terrace that's on the sunshine a whole day long, practically. So once the sun's shining, there's going to be people out here. Just a few people on the beach, not as busy. It is chilly outside, so most people are here on the promenade enjoying everything the city has to offer. Sunshine, blue skies, some nice drinks, some cocktail, maybe warm drinks as well, coffee, tea, something with milk. People are just enjoying the weather that our area has. Even though it's cold in the mornings, but overall, if the sun's shining, we're gonna be all right. Thank you for accompanying us for today's morning video in Benidorm town.